am going to tell you a story. Aini, who went to church on Sunday? Who went to church on Sunday? Very good. You all went to church on Sunday? Yes. So now I'm going to tell you a story about Daddy Saul. Aini, I'll tell you a story about Daddy Saul. Daddy Saul, where we go with him at church. This is what happened at church, at my church on what? On Sunday. Daddy Saul went to church with his mother and his father. Are we together? Yes. Then Daddy Saul was bored. Daddy Saul was bored. Do we know what it means if they say bored? No. You don't know? Okay, the word bored simply means one film for say. Are we together? Because Daddy Saul was just alone. His father was in the meeting. And the mother was talking to her friends. Then Daddy Saul told the mother, Mommy, let's go home. Then Daddy Saul's mother said, I'm coming, Daddy Saul. Very soon we'll go home. The mother was not attending to who? To Daddy Saul. That is when Daddy Saul jumped and went to the drum sets. Do we know what the drum set is? Yes. Ngoma. Do you know Kamai? Yes. That is when now Daddy Saul went there and started beating in the drum. Daddy Saul got the drum and started beating the drum. And the drum went in. Are we together? Then there was noise because the drum which Daddy Saul was beating was making noise as it. Daddy Saul's mother called Daddy Saul and she said, Daddy Saul, let's go home. Now, that's how Daddy Saul and the mother went home. Now, children, what sound did you hear in the story? Tell your neighbor. Mugule komkwenu mumatwi. Namanzi. Can you stand up? Can we look at Namanzi? Can you tell us? Very good. Children, today we are going to learn about the sounding. Let's all do together. Like this. Okay, children, what other words did you hear in the story which has got the sound D? What other words? Josephine? Drum. Very good. The word drum has the sound D. So this is the action of the sound D. Together.